I will now show you how to create a project on Flow360. Let's get started. Select New Project. Type in your project's name. You can even input your project's details. If you have a code library you'd like to use, select the code library. Select the coordinate system that you'd like to use on your project. We'll use the option to choose from library. We'll select the coordinate system that we want to use, then also select the vertical datum. Once this is set, select Apply. Set your linear units to meters. After this is set, select Create Project. Your project has now been successfully created.